In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Klaviyo form on your Shopify store, and we'll get this done in just 5 minutes. This process will help you enhance your store's engagement by allowing customers to easily subscribe to your updates or promotions. Let's dive right in and start by installing the Klaviyo app. First things first, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look for the search box at the top of the screen, click on it and enter Klaviyo, email marketing and SMS into the search bar. This app is crucial as it will enable your Shopify store to communicate effectively with Klaviyo, ultimately allowing you to seamlessly embed your forms and manage customer relationships. Once you've found the Klaviyo app, go ahead and click on Install. You'll be redirected to another page asking you to confirm the installation. Don't worry, just click on Install again. This is a simple yet important step, as it integrates the powerful features of Klaviyo with your Shopify store. After installing the app, the next step involves connecting your Klaviyo account. On the redirected page, you should see an option to integrate. Click on it. This action will link your Shopify store with Klaviyo, ensuring your forms can capture data efficiently. Now onto creating a sign-up form which will be visible to your customers. Navigate to the Klaviyo dashboard and from there head over to the sign-up form section. This space is where you get to design how your form will look and function. Once there, click on Create Sign-up Form. Klaviyo offers a variety of templates to choose from, so pick one that aligns with your store's branding and style. Customization is key, so take some time to adjust the design and content of your form, tailoring it to your specific needs. Once you're happy with the look and setup, it's time to enable the form on your Shopify site. You'll be in the form settings now where you'll want to make sure that the option Show on Website is enabled. This step ensures that your form will be active and visible to your site visitors. Next, choose how you want the form to be displayed. It could be a pop-up, flyout, or embedded directly into the page. Each option has its place depending on the shopping experience you want to create. Finally, once all these settings look good to you, click on Save and then publish the form. Congratulations, your Klaviyo form is now live on your Shopify store, ready to engage with your customers. By following these steps, you've just made a powerful addition to your site, one that fosters better customer relationships and potentially boosts your business's success. Thanks for watching and happy selling!